is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making a Peeps cake. The ingredients that we're going to need today is a box of Peeps yellow cake mix, a container of the sunny yellow vanilla frosting. I have 4 packages of Peeps. I'm using the pink and purple. You can use the colors of your choice. And we're just going to follow the instructions on the back of the box. We're going to need 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, and also Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. Okay, now you want to get a large bowl. We're going to empty in our cake mix. Add in our eggs, our cup of water, and also our 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to take a hand mixer. You want to beat it on low for 30 seconds until everything is moistened. And then you're going to beat it for 2 minutes on medium. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Okay, now I'm going to be using 2 9-inch cake pans. I'm going to spray them with my Baker's Joy. And you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Once you're done spraying your pans, now you can go ahead and pour your cake batter into them evenly. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and place your cake pans into the oven at 350 degrees. Since I'm using 9-inch cake pans, mine is going to take between 23 and 28 minutes. Once your cake is done, we're going to let it cool off for 15 minutes. And you guys know to take a toothpick, insert it in the center. Comes out clean, you know your cake is cooked all the way through. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, I placed them onto a wire rack. I'm just going to let them cool off for about another 10 minutes. You want them to be completely cooled before you ice them. Once our cake is completely cooled, we're going to begin to put our icing on. Okay guys, after you're done icing your cake, it's time to put the Peeps on. Okay guys, as you can see, I stuck one of the Peeps to the side. All you want to do is break them apart and just alternate your colors. Just want to press them right up along the icing on the side of the cake. Okay guys, look how cute that is. Okay guys, so now I have some purple sanding sugar and also some pink sanding sugar. So all we're going to do is sprinkle it over top lightly. Look how pretty that is. Now you can put the remainder of your Peeps right on top. Just press them down into the icing. Guys, look how nice and fluffy and moist the inside of the cake is. Looks really pretty. Okay guys, so here we have it, a quick and easy Easter Peeps cake. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?